Good morning students, this is your environmental studies class, and in this class we are going to read your new chapter with chapter number 5, which is food we eat. This is your chapter, okay, see this is your new chapter, and in this chapter we will talk about our food, the food we eat in our daily lives. We will talk about it. We will okay class, so today we are going to read food we eat. The food we eat, generally we eat food daily. Everyone eats food daily because food is very important thing in our life. Without eating food we can't survive. Anyone can survive without eating food? No. Here is a name girl Kiara. From the starting of the chapter, your book, we are going to, from the chapter 1 only, we are discussing about Kiara. Who is Kiara? She is a girl, and she in every chapter she is asking some points, some questions. Now, Kiara eats her breakfast in the morning at 8 am. Now, when do you eat your breakfast? What is the breakfast? When you get up, and when in the morning, if you take the food you take is called your breakfast, okay. And this Kiara eats her breakfast in morning at 8 am, okay. So when you will take your breakfast? You will take your breakfast at 8 am, okay. Am means in the morning, okay, before 12 o'clock, okay. In the afternoon she eats her lunch at 1 pm, and in the afternoon she eats what? She eats her lunch, and the time she eats the lunch, on which time she is eating the lunch? She is eating her lunch on at 1 pm, okay. And after that, in the night she eats her dinner at, now what is the dinner? Dinner is the food you are eating at night. So at night she is eating her dinner at 8 pm, okay. Now see here, 8 am in the morning, okay, I am writing here in the morning, and after that in the afternoon, then and in night. So you will, if you are taking your food, the first of all, in the morning you take your breakfast, okay, at 8 am or 8:30, 9, whatever, but you will take it in the morning only, okay. Now after that you will take your lunch. As Kiara takes her lunch at 1 pm, you also takes your lunch at in the afternoon. So in the afternoon you will take your lunch. Then after you will take your dinner. When you will take your dinner at night. At night, in night you will take your dinner. Okay, so breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner at night. Now we will go through the chapter. Now according to your book, we have discussed about Kiara. Now we will go through the book. Kiara eats healthy food. What is a healthy food? The food you take at your homes, not the junk foods like your chow-mein, pasta, burger, not that all. The food you take at your homes, your mother makes the food, the healthy food, the green vegetables, and your whatever your mother is cooking. She loves to eat fruits and vegetables, and likes milk a lot. Everyone likes milk. I think everyone you drink your milk. As Kiara loves to eat fruits and vegetables. See here, fruits and vegetables are very good for our health. These things we should always consume, okay? And she likes also, and Kiara also likes milk a lot. She also drinks milk. Milk is very essential, very good for our body also. Milk is also very good for our body. Then, do you also eat healthy food like Kiara? Now, Kiara is asking that you also eat drink milk and eat this green vegetables and fruits. So, here are the points that we will go through. It helps to grow fast and to be healthy. Now, if you are eating fruits, vegetables, and you are drinking milk also, so what? If you are taking a healthy food, then you will it will help you to grow fast and be healthy. You will grow faster and you will be healthy. Okay, you will be. Your body will be healthy. Now it gives us energy to do work and play. Now, if you will not eat till morning to evening, then you don't have any energy. You will feel very tired. But if you are eating properly, you will be healthy and you will get the sufficient energy to work also, and also to play. It also protects us from diseases. Now, if you are healthy, you will not become sick at all, because if you are healthy, if you are eating healthy food and you are taking your milk, you are eating green vegetables, fruits, and healthy food, then you will not and the diseases would be far away from you. Okay. Now we will go through the next paragraph. See here, I am going to the next para. We eat different kinds of food like fruits, vegetables, dal, rice, chapatis, curd, cereals, eggs, fish, and meat. Now, we eat different types of food. The types of food in the book there is written that fruits. You eat fruits. Fruits in the fruits what comes? Like mango, apple. These are all your fruits. Now vegetables. What are your vegetables? Potato, then onion. These all are your vegetables. Now you eat dal, rice, chapatis, curd, you know, dahi, cereals, and these eggs, fish, and meat. These all things you eat, because these all are your healthy food. Now it is important to eat different kinds of food. It is very important to eat different kinds of food. If you are eating only one kind of food regularly, if you are eating only rice and dal regularly, what will you get? You will not like to eat regularly the same food. So that we eat different kinds of food. The food eaten at a particular time of a day is called a meal. Okay. Now, if you are eating the food at a time, then it is your meal. Now, you have 3 meals in a day, in the morning and in the afternoon and in the night. Okay, a meal with right amount of all kinds of food makes a healthy meal. Now in your meal you have to take your right amount of food, right amount your body requires that much of energy, that much of food you should have to take. Okay, so a meal with right amount of all kinds of food in the meal you should have to add. Okay, so it is what is a meal? A meal is the food you are taking at a particular time. Okay, it is a meal, and in the meal you should have to add the right amount of food, so that you get the energy and you would be healthy, and energy to do work and play, and also you should be healthy and you should be away from the diseases. Okay, so okay class, in the next class we will discuss about the food we eat, the more foods we eat.